Get up. Eat breakfast. Brush teeth. Take bath. Dress up. Writing. Reading. Science. Math. Geography. Snack. Arts. Snack. Arts. Take a nap. Do homework. Help with chores. Play. Clean up. Family time. Learn weathers. Sunny. Lightning. Storm. Showers. Partly sunny. Cloudy. Rain. Windy. Tornado. Snowflake.